Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica, give me here another reaction. Move. So the guys say Vybz Kartel, yeah man, the teacher, yeah man, word boss, yeah man, king of dancehall, yeah man. You know what they all are the accolades, them big words, man. Accolades. With to me and you, yes, to me and you, Vybz Kartel. Jump in the water and see what the G did. Let's go.
Stop listening to people.
Old school.
I don't care what they say, as long as you love me, we will be together, me and you forever. Stop.
Old school. Read the standards and the people. Old school. Me like it.
Stop listen to people.
Even to all the rhythm coming. Yo, old school Vybz Kartel go. Yeah, even the intro, it might go over no phone head, but listen again.
Stop listening to people.
Wake the sound and tell the people.
I don't care what they say, as long as you love me, we will be together, me and you forever.
All right.
And who don't wanna see us, close your eyes and pass, please. We will be together.
So who no want see him lock on the yam pass? Who no want see him and her together lock on the yam pass? All right, if you have to pass away there, just go across the road and pass then. No look. Cause them always are going to be together, them now left.
Stop listening to people.
Don't make them get in your head, mama. Don't listen to them. Them jealous.
I don't care what they say.
Them bad mind.
As long as you love
them not happy
me,
to see you happy.
we will be together.
Teacher,
me
tell them.
and you forever. And who don't wanna see us, close your eyes and pass, please. We will be together, me and you forever. We not live, you know me say rebel low, me fi complain. Them no want say we happy that mash up them day.
You see, it's an old school flowing gear, dog. Can't tell you exactly what we do. Panda one.
You forever. We not live, you know me say rebel low, me fi complain. Them no want say we happy that mash up them day. I love your word, it you are the best I ever get. And I swear to love you. What's wrong if we hold on? There's nothing we can do when everybody wants happiness. Stop listening to people. I don't care what they say, as long as you love me, we will be together, me and you forever. And who don't wanna see us, close your eyes and pass, please. We will be together, me and you forever. We not live, you know me say rebel low, me fi complain. Them no want say we happy that mash up them day. I love your word, it you are the best I ever get. And I swear to love you. What's wrong if we hold on? There's nothing we can do when everybody wants happiness. One to me and you. 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 Yeah, we make it love grow. Keep you cool na the summer, keep you warm na the snow. Whether we a move fast or move slow, we a move kayak so nobody can know.
Yeah man, no matter how them a move, nobody can know. You guess what? The man a keep her warm na the snow and cool na the summer. Yes, him a comfort her. You know, cause him a the provider, so him have to make sure say how she good. Him a the strong. Hey.
Fast or move slow, we a move kayak so nobody can know. Now people don't like see a good thing. I don't know how them do it.
How them do it?
But let's keep our love growing. Me and you can't let.
Kartel, remember say hurt people, you know. So once them see you over there so nice in a relationship, nice with your woman, them not gonna like it because guess what? Them don't have nobody, them hurting. So them want you to be hurting. You're not hurt a blood clot. Your teacher not left, mama.
Love growing.
You're the teacher not left.
Me and you can't let. And I swear to love you. What What's wrong if we hold on? There's nothing we can do. Everybody want happiness. Want to me and you. 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 I don't care what they say, as long as you love me, we will be together, me and you forever. And who don't wanna see us, close your eyes and pass, please. We will be together, me and you forever.
Oh, Buckland! Yo, at this point, the teacher doesn't enjoy himself. Teacher doesn't enjoy his life. At this point, teacher doesn't enjoy his life. He don't give a fuck. Bro, yo. This is, like I said, this is like an old school vibe. Old school rhythm as well. From the intro go right into the singing. Kartel sings. Big up yourself. Teacher sing. Teacher sing to mama. And I make you know. Calm it down and I make you know. So yo, you and him forever, mama. You're not gonna know it, him not gonna know it. No matter what the haters them say, if them not like to walk one, lock on the ear and walk past. But don't buckle the tone and lock on the ear no corner. Go drop right in front of you. You go look up and you go see we scam you. That's what the teacher tell you. No, I know me still. You see it. Huh? Teacher! Tell them again to blood. Come on, I don't think what I want to do in the comment section still. I'll be down there. Pew!